Hi, my name is Nykee. I'm calling from Arlington, Texas. I decided to attend a drone command live because I really want to actually do some residential work with the drones. I think it's an exciting thing. So far, one of my biggest takeaways is thinking broader as far as the business and the opportunity, and actually having a drone business versus just being an operator was awesome take that I definitely needed. What was great about tenant virtually, and definitely great about tenant virtually because you don't have to go anywhere. Gas prices aren't cheap these days, so it's always good to be able to tap in with the virtual devices. Someone that's on the fence about attending this, I would definitely recommend it because, like I said, it opens up um, your mind a little bit more than probably what you were thinking, and giving you a better idea and view of what's possible out there.